Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sasuritas. I'm Sasurita. Today I'm going to make our hair mask. Because of the weather is so foggy and it's too cold here, so I want a really strong hair mask. This is egg shampoo. I'm going to wash my hair with this. So before that, I'm going to soak my hair with the mask that I'm going to show you now. Let's see.
The first and the main ingredient that I'm going to use is the avocados. I'm using the organic ones. Find the really black avocados. This is the ripe one. It's easy to mash. Next is one whole egg and it's organic. Homemade yogurt. I'm using 2 tablespoons. You can buy it from an American grocery. Greek yogurt also works fine. Apple cider vinegar. Organic, you will find it in organic grocery store. Then calendula extract, again this is homemade. First we are going to mash the avocados. I've already de-seeded and I've removed the skin. We're going to mash it using a fork. So this is the easy process. If we are going to use the spoon, it doesn't mash really well. So use a fork. Avocados are very good for hair because it is rich in protein and it has omega-3 in it, so which is good for hair. It helps the hair to grow and it prevents hair fall and also conditions the hair, keeps hair really soft and silky. Next, egg. I've already beat the eggs, so again use a fork while doing this process. So beat the eggs and mash the avocados using a separate bowl because we don't want chunks of avocados on our hair. Now transfer all the ingredients in a separate bowl, a large bowl. Yummy avocados. So avocados are very good and high in protein. So the protein is very much needed for hair if you want to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth. Next thing, we are adding the yogurt. It's rich in good bacteria, probiotics. So if you have dandruff or any itchiness on your scalp, this will get rid of it. You can buy Greek yogurt or any plain yogurt if you don't know how to make homemade yogurt. It's available in American grocery store and also in Indian grocery stores. Next, I'm going to add organic apple cider vinegar. So the apple cider vinegar is very good for hair. Again, it removes dandruff and also keeps your hair soft and clean. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of calendula extract. This calendula extract is homemade. I have already uploaded the video on how to make extract, so just take a look. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can buy it from organic grocery stores. They do have calendula extract. If not, you can buy it from Amazon. I can leave you the link in the description box below if you want to buy it from Amazon. If you're in India, you can purchase it from any homeopathic medical stores. So now calendula extract is very good for hair growth, so I use it in all my hair mask and face mask recipes. So you should try using that. You'll see the difference in 1 use. Now mix all the ingredients together and make a smooth paste. So all the ingredients together works amazing for hair. It conditions your hair, keeps your hair smooth, soft and silky, and even reduces the frizziness if you keep on using it. So I've used this hair mask for like 2 years now. I was using every week in the beginning because my hair was so frizzy, but now I'm just doing once a month, or if my hair is too dry, I use this mask. So it depends on your hair type, but do use it. You will definitely see the difference and it promotes hair growth. So just because of it, you can use it every week and see the difference for yourself. So if you're new to hair mask, leave it on for 2 hours. If not, if you're just conditioning your hair, just 1 hour is fine. It all just depends on the hair type, and if your hair is like really very dry, or if you have a curly hair, leave it on for more than 2 hours. So this is me with my hair mask on, waiting for 1 hour.
So I soaked the mask in my hair for about an hour, and then I washed my hair with my shampoo bar. So this is how my hair looks after the hair wash. It gives a natural look. So I did not blow dry my hair, I just let it dry by itself. So it gives more like a natural look. I did not use a hair straightener. My hair is like so soft and so nice and silky. The only thing is it smells like egg. It definitely will smell like egg. You cannot skip that, because if you add egg, it will be smelly after wash. It takes up to like couple of days for it to go away. But you can definitely skip the egg if you like and just add the avocado. But I want egg because I feel that it gives extra conditioning to the hair. So I definitely would recommend you to add egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some scented oil that I made at home. So I will share that recipe in my next episode. See you in another episode.
Well, folks, thank you for watching. Please do support me by sharing it to your family and friends. Also, visit my shop if you want to purchase any natural products. Visit my blog on my website www.zesuritas.com/blog. Thank you. Bye.